Hi everybody, I'm Nancy Schlesinger, Vice President and co-founder of LovelySkin.com. I'm excited to be here today to introduce Revision Skincare's new product, C Brightening Eye Complex. Personally, I have always had a concern for my under eye dark circles, and I'm looking forward to trying out this new product and seeing the results.
And I'm Chrissy, Director of Product Operations. Thanks for joining us today. We are so excited to introduce you to Revision Skincare's latest launch. Revision Skincare is known for their clinically supported formulas, and the C Brightening Eye Complex is no exception. In fact, in a clinical study, results were seen in as early as 4 weeks.
Wow.
Are you ready to give it a try?
Can't wait.
All right.
Yes.
Let's open it up.
Okay.
So
Here we
it
go.
does come in 2 sizes, but the 0.5 ounce size is what really shines. You want to try it?
Oh, love to.
All right.
Okay, this is very nice.
Awesome. Looks like it has a very creamy texture.
Very creamy.
Oh yes, very nice. I kind of
Rubs it nicely.
put it on my eyes. Why waste good product, right, Nancy?
Absolutely.
It's cooling on the eyes.
Feels very nice.
Very nice.
Love it.
It has been so much fun talking to you today about the new Revision Skincare C Brightening Eye Complex, and we can't wait for you all to try it.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you. Bye.